Carbon and its compound. Introduction of carbon. The carbon. Physical properties of carbon. Presentation of carbon. Bonding in carbon. Dear students, today we will learn about such a unique element which occurs nearly in all the facts of the nature. Carbon. Let us see the carbon and its compound. Carbon is the single most important element in organisms. In fact, carbon is so important an entire field of chemistry is devoted to it. The branch of chemistry devoted to the study of carbon containing compounds is organic chemistry. The carbon. The carbon is a non-metal element. Its symbol is C. As shown, the atomic number of carbon is 6, which means that a neutral atom of carbon contains 6 electrons. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2, 4. Its atomic number is 6. Atomic weight is 12.0107. Melting point is 64,220 Fahrenheit. Boiling point is 69,170 Fahrenheit.
Amorphous carbon is 1.8 to 3.515 gram centimeter raised to the power -3.
Phase at room temperature is solid. Carbon atoms can be represented in 5 different ways. Since carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell, so it could either lose 4 electrons or gain 4 electrons to attain the noble gas configuration. The gaining of 4 electrons would not be possible to nucleus with 6 protons to hold on to 10 electrons. The losing of 4 electrons would also not be possible because outermost electrons are strongly held by the nucleus. Since carbon atoms can achieve the inert gas electron arrangement only by the sharing of electrons, therefore, carbon always forms covalent bonds. Now, we are going to get aware with different types of bonding in carbon. Covalent bond. A covalent bond of a carbon is a form of chemical bonding that shares pairs of electrons between the atoms. In short, attraction to repulsion stability that forms between two atoms when they share electrons is known as covalent bonding. Here, one electron of each hydrogen atom share with each electron of carbon atom. Fluorine wants one electron to fill up its outermost shell of electrons. Carbon will provide that electron as long as fluorine shares one of its electrons with carbon, because carbon also wants to attain the 8 outer electrons. You can see how 4 fluorine atoms can connect to one carbon atom. They come together to form carbon tetrafluoride, which is a gas used in refrigeration systems. Summary. Carbon is a versatile element that forms the basis for all living organisms and many of the things we use. This large variety of compounds is formed by carbon because of its tetravalency and the property of catenation that it exhibits. Covalent bonds are formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms so that both can achieve a completely filled outermost shell. Carbon forms covalent bonds with itself and other elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and chlorine. That is all about this subtopic, students. We will see versatile nature of carbon in our next topic. Keep learning!